In this video, I'm going to show you break and continue in C#. So let's start. Break and continue. So break and continue. So first of all, we have to create one loop, and I'm going to create the for loop for int I is equals to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus, and inside the for loop we have to give the curly braces, and I will print the value of I here. And if I run this code by pressing the Ctrl F5, you can see the output as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is my output. This is normal for loop, and you can use the while loop or do while loop or for loop according to your requirement. But now I'm using the for loop because this is a clear and clean syntax, and it is a most usable for loop ever. So now I'm going to discuss about the break. So what does break means? So here, if I create another condition by using the if statement, if I is equals to 2, if I is equals to 2, then, and if I put the break here, what will happen? If I run this code again here, now we can see only the 0 and 1 value. It means that if I want to halt my program after the value of I is 2, then I can use the break keyword here. If I don't want to execute my program after the value of I is 4, then I can just give the value of 4 and use the break keyword. Now you can see 0, 1, 2, 3. Break means it will stop the execution of the program. It will exit from this loop and it will stop the program if the condition is matched. Now you can I will show you the continue keyword. So I just want to comment it by pressing the Ctrl C and Ctrl Z, Ctrl C and Ctrl C, and now again I want to paste this code here, and if I replace the value of break into the continue, so what will happen? I will run this code by pressing the Ctrl F5, and you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, not 4. 4 isn't there, only up to 3. So it means that if I give the value of I is 2, if I run this code again by pressing the Ctrl F5, now you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 4 value. If I is equals to 2, then just continue. It means that it won't print the value of 2. So 0, 1, 3, 4. So it means that it will skip that condition, skip that value, and it will continuously execute the remaining part of the program. It won't halt the program. Break will halt the program, break will stop the program and exit from the loop, but the continue won't stop this loop, won't stop this state, this block, won't stop this block. It will just skip this part. If the condition is matched, then skip that condition and it will execute remaining part. Hope you'll understand this video, and if you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. I will reply to you. If you get any confusion and if any other problem are there, you can ask me in the email or in a comment section. So if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.